With just a few months before Apple's autumn presentation, rumors on everything from its hardware to its design and camera indicate that Apple is preparing to make big modifications to the iPhone 15 series, particularly to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here is what we presently know about the impending iPhone 15 Pro Max, given the numerous contradicting reports that are circulating. Several tipsters have suggested that the iPhone 15 Pro Max may have a curved design, and the same can be seen on the mock-ups of the smartphone that have leaked. According to Shrimp Apple Pro, it may also feature curved bezels. The iPhone 15 Pro Max may have the slimmest bezels of any smartphone, measuring only 1.55 mm, according to 9to5Mac. The addition of the USB Type-C connector, which will replace Apple's exclusive Lightning port in conformity with EU laws, is one of the largest modifications to the iPhone in recent years. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is anticipated to have a titanium frame with haptic mid-switch, and the same has been depicted in renders of the smartphone. Apple may limit the charging speeds on third-party chargers and cables, only allowing MFI-certified accessories to benefit from full charging speeds. Another leak has the ability to configure a new action button that looks like the one on the Apple Watch Ultra. Along with the iPhone 15 Pro, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is anticipated to include the brand new A17 Bionic chipset, which may be built on the newest 3nm manufacturing technology. Only the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will have the 17 Bionic, according to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. It's also anticipated that the RAM would increase to 8GB. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's leaked benchmark results demonstrate how much quicker it may be than both the top Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max reportedly scored 3019 on Geekbench 6 a single-core test, whereas the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 2523 and 2000, respectively. According to a Macrover's report that was confirmed by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, it has also been claimed that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will include Wi-Fi 6E. Reports also indicate that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is anticipated to receive the same camera system as its predecessor, including the 48-megapixel Sony IMX803 sensor, but it also reportedly receives a new periscope lens. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.